What up, Smart Rapper Gang? Today I'm going to show you a few SoundCloud tricks that I learned to get free SoundCloud plays, hundreds to thousands of them every single day. And I learned these from intensely studying, going through spending my money so you didn't have to on everything on SoundCloud so I can learn everything about the platform to give you that information, as well as use those strategies and promotional methods on my own music to grow myself. Now, free SoundCloud plays are pretty easy to get. All you gotta do is get people to go to your page, right? And once they're on their page, they click it, you get free SoundCloud plays.
Bloody.
Usually, this is harder than everybody even realizes that it is until you go to do it, right? You go to do it and nobody's clicking your song. But with the stuff I'm gonna show you today to get free SoundCloud plays, it's not gonna be a problem. I guarantee you right now that you've never heard of the tricks that I'm gonna show you, okay? Especially 2, 3, and 4. I'm gonna start with the simple one, number 1, which is very effective. But 2, 3, and 4, you've never heard of them because nobody does music marketing the way that I do. They just don't think like I think. Because I started dirt poor like you did, so I had to come up with ways like, how can I get this stuff to work? And that's why this is Smart Rapper, and that's why we're at almost 250,000 subscribers. Thanks to everybody like you. So if you're not subscribed right now, make sure you subscribe because I have tons of SoundCloud videos coming this week alone, and then even more in the future as I continue to learn these things. So be sure to subscribe and hit that little bell so you get notified every time I release a new video, okay? It's free when I do it. But I'm Rob Level, the best rapper you know, who's giving cheat codes that the industry doesn't want you to know. And this is Smart Rapper, the #1 place for upcoming rappers. And you're about to get smarter, especially with today's video, right after the intro. That was the worst wink I've ever done in my life.
Wait, we trap. This was bound to happen. Got loot, no cap. You know we about to action.
See, it might not make no sense, but it made a lot of sense to me. I'ma finish where I started, plus I'm charging up a fee. Jesus used to call me stupid, now my pockets would agree. In my penthouse, I be laughing, he.
Now, number 1 has 3 steps to get free SoundCloud plays super easy. And just watching this video, you're actually getting more than you would get out of anybody else's video, and you're about to see why. Number 1, you can click in the link below, and this is gonna be 100% free for you, okay? What's gonna happen is it's gonna bring you to a site where you're able to earn credits by reposting somebody else's song onto your page. You're gonna get 40 extra free bonus credits just from clicking my link. I made a deal with the CEO of the company after I tested this thing out for 30 days, and I have tons of those videos that are gonna be on the channel. You need to see these videos because this site is legit. And you can use your free credits to start a campaign, and you're gonna have more credits than most people get, so this is beautiful. Number 3, then your song will go to the top of the browse campaign section. Now this means every single person who goes to browse for campaigns to repost will play and listen to your song, giving you free SoundCloud plays from real people. Now at the same time, you're probably gonna get comments from this, and you're also gonna get reposts and likes on your song if the song's good. So this is a win-win-win-win-win across the board, and it's not costing you a single penny. Now, I tested this site on a brand new profile. I had 0 followers, 0 streams. I uploaded a song, connected it to this site.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I set a campaign, and here are my results after 1 day of doing nothing. I had 114 plays in 1 day just from putting it into the campaign section. And by day 2 with my free campaign running, I had 259 plays, 20 followers, 47 reposts, and 28 likes. Oh, and 9 comments. That's more than a lot of people get in general. So if you're wanting free SoundCloud plays, this is one of the best ways to get free SoundCloud plays, as well as reposts and as well as comments. Now again, I only promote things to smart rappers that I've tested and I've tried. So I spent 30 days and I documented the entire process so I could prove it's real. I was on there the date I wasn't on there. I didn't have to be on there every day. You barely have to do anything. But I was on the site and I recorded every step of the process and my opinion on the whole thing. And you're gonna be able to see those videos to see exactly how real this was. What a Smart Rapper quick cut to. If you want the course, and I built this whole course, took me 2 months to build, I'm gonna give it to you 100% free. It's step by step exactly how I went from 0 followers on SoundCloud to 1,000 followers on SoundCloud in less than 30 days, 100% free. There's only 2 things I'm asking from you. 1, you give me a 5-star review on this course when you take it, because I'm gonna give it to you for free and it usually costs $50. And number 2, you follow me on SoundCloud. That's it. The links are gonna be below. It's free. Go get it. You're gonna get the secrets. All right, back to the video. And also don't forget that I'm gonna have a video showing you every single feature that this site has and exactly the results that it gave me for each individual feature. Okay, so you can see what it would do for you. Now, how to get free SoundCloud plays number 2. What I'm about to show you, this alone, okay, and I was never gonna show anybody this, but this alone will get you hundreds to thousands of SoundCloud plays every single day. Now, again, this is genius. I've never showed anyone this before, but when's a better time to show you than during SoundCloud week? Now I learned to do things like this and tons of other secrets and stuff that I can show you guys about 8 years ago when I was really heavily pushing my music, and I was also learning how to hack and things like that, but that's a story for another time. What we're gonna do for free SoundCloud plays is you're gonna download an auto clicker, and the auto clicker is gonna act as if it's a human to play your songs in a playlist that you made. Now you're probably asking, Rob, what's an auto clicker? Well, it's a program that you automate that actually clicks on the screen and makes movements just like it's a real person. But there's no person there, so it's like a ghost is doing it. Ooh, spooky. Software that I'm gonna show you allows you to click anywhere on the screen, automate, even record whatever you do. So all you have to do is just click the button and it'll repeat the process over and over again. Oh yeah, you don't even have to be there, which is the point. So to do this, in order to get a ton of free SoundCloud plays, you're gonna create a couple playlists and you're gonna put a bunch of your music in each one of these playlists. And you can even put your friends' songs inside of these playlists so they get some extra streams too. Now, this is gonna be really funny when they say, oh man, I got 200 streams on this song. You'd be like, yeah, thanks to me. Yes! Now, you're gonna create an incognito window in Chrome. You're gonna open each one of the playlists. Then you're gonna go ahead and set up the auto clicker, which I'll show you how to do. And it's gonna go through and it's just gonna repeat the process and you're gonna gain streams all day. All you have to do is every time you leave the house or you go to sleep, you just press the play button. You're gonna wake up to more plays, you're gonna come home to more plays. Because you wanna make sure that you do it so that SoundCloud doesn't catch on. And I know how to get around the algorithm. I got your back. Again, hey, there's a reason this is called Smart Rapper. You should see the other tricks that I have in my music marketing masterclass. Blow your mind. And if you're interested in that, I'll put a link below for that too. That may not even be out right now because I'm releasing this video a little bit early, but it will be out and available around Black Friday 2019. Something very special is coming for that. So if you do click to that for the masterclass, you can join the email list to be notified when it comes out, okay? Because you're gonna want that. I'll teach you every single platform. Number 3, for free SoundCloud plays.
Hit me.
This is great for teamwork and this really adds up in the scheme of things. What you're gonna do is you're gonna create a Facebook group, you're gonna create an Instagram group. What you're gonna do is you're gonna find artists who want to gain streams and comments and reposts and everything like that with you, okay? So let's say you have 5 people in here. What you guys are gonna do is you're gonna spend about 3 minutes a day going in and leaving each other 2 or 3 comments on each person, and you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna stream each other's songs, okay? And this is super easy. All you do is you make sure that your link to your SoundCloud, the song that you wanna boost, is inside of your bio on each of the platforms. Okay, so put it in your Instagram bio, put it in your Facebook bio, all right? At the end of the month, this will result in hundreds of comments on your song. It'll also result in hundreds of free SoundCloud plays. Now you're thinking, Rob, it's gonna be a bunch of the same people with the comments and the thing. That's fine, because as long as every comment's different, and like, oh, I had to come back and listen to this. Oh, I love this part. If every day they say something different about a different part of the song, or they just leave a comment in a different place, it just looks like you have super fans who just keep coming back and listening, okay? Comments are comments, and it shows. And it goes to a real profile where they're an artist too. So you're cross-pollinating. Imagine what would happen if you showed each of these people how to use the auto clicker method, and you guys put each other's songs in each other's playlists, okay? That's gonna be amazing. Now, of course, you can always go buy your SoundCloud plays by using sites like boosterboss.com, and that's what most people do, but don't overdo it because it'll look fake, okay? If you're gonna do this, do it for social proof, and you should already know what that is. It's just you only want so many plays, okay? You wanna make sure it looks even and it looks real. You'd only use this to get a little bit of yourself off the ground, okay? But don't be that guy. And then I have one more special thing to tell you after this. Again, do not abuse these methods, all right? People can tell when things are fake, and if the numbers don't equal, they don't look real, it's not gonna be taken as real, and you're gonna look worse than you would if you just did a couple hundred streams. Remember, these aren't real people. You want real people. Hit that subscribe button for me. We're just getting started here. Come on, just join the gang, it's free. I got so much to teach you. I got so much. And don't forget to comment, and please leave me a like if this video helped you or taught you something. I really appreciate it, because that helps the channel grow. So anybody who wants to leave a comment, please leave a comment, and please like the video. I'm Rob Level, this is Smart Rapper, and you just became a smarter rapper. All right, keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. Click these videos.
Smart Rapper, gang.